Jamaican. Jamaican is the Jamaican word of the week for the week of August 4th to August 10th, 2024. In the Jamaican language, Jamaican is used as a noun with three separate meanings and an adjective with one meaning. Noun meaning 1. A native or inhabitant of Jamaica. Example: from him up the mountain of Yass if you're Jamaican. Noun meaning 2. A person born outside Jamaica who has at least one parent who is Jamaican. Example: she might not born here but her father come from Spanish town, so she a Jamaican. Noun meaning 3. The English-related Creole language used by Jamaicans. Example: when me a chat Jamaican, the people them understand what me a say. Adjective meaning: belonging to a characteristic of Jamaica or Jamaicans, originating in Jamaica. Example: everybody knows that the Jamaican athlete them are the fastest in the world.
If you would like to receive the word of the week, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when we post a new word.